Hello everyone, I hope you're doing great. In this video, I want to show you how to set a custom wallpaper on your smartwatch using a photo from your phone's gallery with the Mactive Pro app. If you don't know how to connect your smartwatch to the app, I've pinned a tutorial link in the comments so you can watch it first. The first thing you need to do is make sure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on. Then press and hold the Mactive Pro app icon, go to App Info, then Permissions, and enable Location and Storage Permissions so the app can access the photos in your phone's gallery. After that, open the app, make sure your smartwatch is connected, and go to Watch Faces, Watch Face Market. Select Customize Watch Face, choose the first option, and tap on the image icon. Then select Choose Photo, tap Finish, and then Send. This process may take a few seconds. And that's it. Your smartwatch will now have a personalized wallpaper from your phone's gallery. If this video was helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. See you in the next video.